Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use promo code in Foodpanda. First you have to log into your Foodpanda account and you will find all the promo codes available in your location or in your region. Then you can use that promo code by clicking on it. After clicking on it, you will find all the details about the discounts or the sale, and from here you can find all the promo codes and the coupon codes here for the foods that you can order with that coupon code or that offer. Here it is. And this restaurant and the food that allows you to use this coupon code here that are 40% off on the menu of this restaurant. And after that you can simply click on it to see all the details about the coupon codes, that the discount offer and the validation date. You can also use coupon codes or promo codes in the food that you want to order from Foodpanda. Make sure that your promo codes are valid and not up to date. Now select the food that you want to order. Here it is. You can see in this foods I only also can use the coupon codes that available in my account. Make sure that you have valid coupon codes available in your account. Now select the food that you want to order. Now click on add to cart. After adding your food to your cart, you can click on view your cart. Here is my cart and the foods that I have ordered. Now at the bottom here you can see all the details about the payable amount, and then you will find apply a voucher option. Simply click on it and now you can enter a voucher code here. That means you can enter the promo codes or you can apply these coupons that available in your account. Then after entering the promo code, you can simply click on apply to use that promo code to order that food with discount. That's how you can use promo code on Foodpanda. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.